Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, product manager of the Cougar division here at Keystone RV. Cougar has been one of the top selling fifth wheel and luxury travel trailer brands for more than 2 decades now. Simply put, there hasn't been another brand in its segment that has delivered better quality, more innovative features, or more value than the Keystone Cougar. Today's video is all about the innovative floor plan, the 355 FBS, which stands for front bathroom. This floor plan offers 1.5 bath, a full master suite in the upper deck with a king bed slide, large master bathroom, and the largest walk-in closet in its class. The 355 FBS has a dry weight just over 11,000 pounds and comes in at 39 foot 4 inches in length. The length and weight make this floor plan ideal for a 3/4 ton truck. Before we get going, here are a few features that are standard on every Cougar fifth wheel floor plan. Let's get started right here, a brand new wall-mounted dinette. What do I mean by wall mount? Well, for years we've always had a pedestal under the table, and our customers asked us, get rid of the pedestal. We're tired of hitting our knees on this pedestal. So we did just that. This is now a wall mount table with tons of leg room underneath, but we also kept that same great feature that our Cougar customers love, which is our dinette actually slides back and forth to give you more room. Down to the flooring. This is a great new feature that we added fall of 2020 is our new woven flooring. What's great about this floor is it's incredibly durable. It cleans very, very easily, unlike carpet, and it won't crease or bind up like linoleum. Windows. It's very important, and especially on the campsite of your trailer, is all these huge windows. Now we also incorporated these new slow rise roller shades for the fall of 2020 as well, and they've been a huge hit so far. Moving on to the living room, check out the size of that 50-inch 4K Ultra TV. We also have the 5000 BTU electric fireplace, which is not just for ambiance. It also will heat this trailer and make it incredibly comfortable in those cooler evenings. Moving on to the rear, we have our tri-fold sleeper sofa, which will sleep 2 adults very comfortably. And then a great amount of overhead cabinet space. Who doesn't want more cabinet space? And then one of my favorite features is the heat and massage theater seats that face directly across from the 50-inch TV. However, one of the best features and what most customers really like about this floor plan is the view that you have of your campsite, starting with the rear and that full panoramic view going throughout your slide out. This island has been completely updated for the fall of 2020. We've incorporated a few awesome features. One, with our new beverage center. Not only can you store 2 liters of pop, maybe wine, what have you. You can also store maybe some other pantry needs that you have, and even blankets for your living room. I want to show you the trash can storage, which is an absolute must, but again, another place to put beverages. How about a case of water or a case of pop, what have you. Up here, solid surface countertops, a must when you're looking at a luxury fifth wheel like this. But we also have cutting board and a drying rack that comes with every one of our Cougars. And again, this also fits nicely underneath your sink. Now, you may ask, why double bowl? Well, if you're washing dishes, you'll want a spot to be able to rinse too. Wash and rinse. When I do dishes, when I actually do dishes, that's how I would do it, okay? And then lastly is our 4 drawers. We got to give you as much storage space as possible in the kitchen. So we totally crushed it in this new design on the island with storage, double bowl sink, huge faucet, and of course that awesome beverage center. Check out the symmetry in this kitchen, this cooking center, with the cabinets at an angle. It just gives it a better feel. And of course that huge window in the back just gives you a great view of your campsite. We've got a 30-inch over-the-range microwave and a 22-inch oven, okay? And then again, tons of storage. Now I do want to show you this. Check out this pop-up power center in the kitchen area. Now we have one of these on each side of the stove. Great for coffee pots, great for crock pots, what have you. But if you notice the sticker on there, it says this outlet is inverted. We actually have up to 4 outlets in this trailer that are inverted in what's called our off-the-grid solar package. The package comes with a 170 watt solar panel, roof mounted. It also comes with a 2000 watt inverter and a 30 amp charge controller. Now that's part of our package. Every Cougar is prepped with the 4 inverted outlets, roof mount prep, inverter prep, and the charge controller prep as well. So whether you want to add that package from the factory or 5 years down the road, the dealer can install that for you. The full-size Cougar lineup offers 2 different refrigerators. The 12 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, but we also offer the 16 cubic foot residential refrigerator, which comes with a 2000 watt inverter as well. What does that mean? You can actually run your refrigerator, even going down the road, using battery power through the inverter. Awesome new feature for the fall of 2020. You can't have an awesome kitchen without having an awesome pantry. And this pantry is just that. It has 4 huge shelves in it. Plenty of space for all your pantry needs, but you can also fit small appliances in there as well. Now, you may think this is a double door pantry, but it's not. It's actually our half bath that we have tucked in. The reason why we have a half bath tucked in here in the kitchen area, off the kitchen area, is this is a front bathroom model. Meaning your bathroom, your main bathroom is all the way up front. And you'd have to go through your bedroom to get to that bathroom. Well, if you have guests over, the last thing that you want to do is have your guest walk through your bedroom to get to your bathroom. That's why we tucked this half bath right here, right off the kitchen. Before we move up to the bedroom and bathroom of the 355 FBS, I want to stop and show you our in-command control center. This system is absolutely amazing. You can control all of your functions, your slides, your awnings, your water heater, your lights, your heating and air conditioner, all from this screen right here. But you can also pair up your phone to this, and through an app on your phone, you can control all of those same features. Why is that great? Well, you could be laying in bed and want to turn the lights off. You can do that from an app on your phone. You can be sitting in the theater seats down below and it starts to get windy and your awning's out. You can put your awning in, all from an app on your phone. It's an awesome system, and that is standard on every single Cougar model. Cougars come standard with a 15,000 BTU Q Series AC and an optional second AC up here in the bedroom that is ducted and also a Q Series AC. What does Q Series mean? It means just that. It is very, very quiet. After running various tests on how quiet and efficient the Q Series AC is, our engineering lab rated it as quiet and as efficient as a whisper quiet air found in luxury fifth wheel brands. However, high-performance air conditioners are only as good as the systems that deliver the cool air to your coach. That's why Keystone's engineering lab designed the all-new patent blade air handling system. This new system completely re-engineered the RV ductwork and vent system to deliver an average of 20% more cooling power than the competition. One key component of the blade AC system is the new blade vent diffusers right here. Normal AC vent diffusers are designed to disperse air in one direction, leaving hot and cold spots in your trailer. This blade diffuser delivers 360 degrees of air circulation, which eliminates those unwanted hot and cold spots. After all, prime camping season is the middle of summer. Isn't it important to keep your trailer cool in those really hot months? Okay, finally, the best part of this trailer. This is the master suite in the all-new 355 FBS. Starting with this king bed here. Now, standard is a queen bed, but most of our customers opt for that optional king bed. Moving on to the rest of the slide, you do have 2 windows that open up at nighttime to get that cross ventilation, that air, that breeze coming through. And then one of the most creative parts of this bedroom is that extra cubby that we gave you there. That was actually just dead space from the half bath, just dead ceiling space from the half bath. So our engineers and our production team got super creative, gave you this cubby, put an inverted outlet up there, 12-volt charging station. It's a heck of a spot for maybe a CPAP, an alarm clock, charging your phones, iPads, what have you, but you Cougar customers are creative and you'll absolutely figure out what you want to use that for. As I'm coming into the bathroom, this is some flex space here. You can use this as wardrobe. Some may use it for towels or just an extra linen closet. Okay, but now I want to show you the best and biggest bathroom and closet in this particular price point. This floor plan is meant for those customers wanting that extended stay. This gives you so much countertop space, huge drawers. Most bathroom drawers are very small and you could not fit a hairdryer or even a curling iron. Maybe just big enough for a brush. Not these. We didn't just give you one, we gave you 3 of them. Plus you've got a spot for a small trash can here right underneath the sink as well. Another great thing about this bathroom is the size of this mirror. It is absolutely huge. But that just goes along with everything else in this bathroom. It is meant for that customer that wants more space. Along with having a huge bathroom vanity, you've got a huge walk-in shower. This is a 38 by 50 shower with a triple sliding glass door, and it also has that seat in the shower too. All right, now it's time for you to see the largest closet in this particular segment. Follow me. For you extended stay campers, most extended stay campers like that washer and dryer option, or the option to be able to put one in when they want to. So not only do we have that, we actually have a spot for a washer and a dryer. Or you can use a combination washer and dryer and still have spot for maybe a laundry basket. But with some of the other great features, drawers, hers or his on both sides, 4 drawers on each side. A great spot for shoes, sweaters, towels, what have you. And then if you'll check out all of this hanging space, most fifth wheels have 50 to 60 inches of hanging space in their closet. This floor plan has 155 inches of hanging space. It is by far the largest in its segment. One of the things that's hard to tell from photos online or of a floor plan, or maybe even some videos, is can you get to the bathroom and can you get to the refrigerator with the slide outs in? And that's pretty important for a lot of our customers that are traveling. So I want to showcase with the slide outs in what you actually can get to. Starting with this refrigerator. You have all the access you need to get to the refrigerator and the freezer. And then of course, if you need to make that pit stop while you're traveling on the road, you've got access to this half bath that we tucked away right here.